day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. It is 5:54 and 46 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, universe's magnetic fields. So let's jump to it here. New clues on the source of the universe's magnetic fields. The source of magnetic fields has long been debated. New research offers clues on their origins. Date July 31st, 2023. Source: Columbia University. Researchers offer insight into the source of cosmic magnetic fields. The research team used models to show that magnetic fields may spontaneously arise in turbulent plasma. Their simulations showed that, in addition to generating magnetic fields, the turbulence of those plasmas can also amplify magnetic fields once they've been generated, which helps explain how magnetic fields that originate on small scales can sometimes eventually reach to stretch across vast distances. As plasma is a kind of matter often found in ultra-hot environments like that near the surface of the sun, but plasma is also scattered across the universe in low-density environments like the expansive space between galaxies. The team's research focused on those low-density environments. Their simulations showed that, in addition to generating new magnetic fields, the turbulence of those plasmas can also amplify magnetic fields once they've been generated, which helps explain how magnetic fields that originate on small scales can sometimes eventually reach to stretch across vast distances. As this new research allows them to imagine the kinds of spaces where magnetic fields are born, even in the most pristine, vast and remote spaces of our universe, roiling plasma particles in turbulent motion can spontaneously give birth to new magnetic fields. The scientific investigators and astronomers say the search for the sea that can sow a new magnetic field has been long, and they are excited to bring new evidence of that original source, as well as data on how a magnetic field, once born, can grow. And this is a professor of astronomy, space technology, computer science, and nature of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.